Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the point evaluation of disinfectant. Kelsey-Sky method. So there are various methods which are used for the evaluation of disinfectant. In those methods we will select the Kelsey-Sky method for the explanation here. I am Ms. Priyanka Rajendra Shweke from the ADCBP Ashta here presenting the evaluation of the disinfectant by the Kelsey-Sky method. So, firstly we will see the definition of the disinfection. It is defined as the process of killing or inhibiting the growth of microorganisms when applied to inanimate objects, for example rooms, floors or instruments. So, in the pharma industry it is very important to maintain the hygienic conditions. So, this process of killing and inhibiting the microorganism is nothing but the process of disinfection. There are many varieties of disinfectants used for these processes. Evaluation of disinfectant. Firstly, what is the need for testing the disinfectants? The first is to know the required effective dilution. Here we will decide how much quantity we have to decide for the disinfection process. Sometimes we can take the full concentrated disinfectants for the higher type of the microorganism. Normally we take the disinfectant by the dilution method, but the which concentration we actually require is very important. That's why the evaluation of disinfectant is very important. Second is to know the time taken for the onset of action. After applying the disinfectant, how much time it requires to kill the microorganism, it is very important. According to that, we will choose the disinfectant or the concentration of the disinfectant. Third is the periodically monitoring of its activity. Evaluation is very important to monitor the activity of disinfectant periodically after some time intervals. So, these are the three main testing parameters for the disinfectant to evaluate the disinfectants. So there are 5 methods of evaluation of disinfectant, that is tube dilution and agar plate method, filter paper and cup plate method, ditch plate method, phenol coefficient method and Kelsey-Sky method. In tube dilution and agar plate method, here we normally use only our test tubes and the agar plates. In that we will transfer the microorganisms onto the agar and on that we will apply the disinfectants. As the action of disinfectants will goes on increasing, the bacteria or the microorganisms will start to kill. Second is the filter paper or cup plate method. By using filter paper or cup plate method, we will start to transfer the disinfectant solution from the filter paper. That filter paper will start to remain that disinfectant. This filter paper is placed on the petri plate which contains the microorganism. After some time interval, we can observe the results. Next is the ditch plate method. In the ditch plate method, we will start to form the small holes. In that we will place our disinfectant and you will see the zone of inhibition. Phenol coefficient method is also that some of the methods, and the Kelsey-Sky method. Next is here we will see in detail Kelsey-Sky method. That is nothing but the capacity test. Kelsey-Sky, it formed in the 1969. So principle is disinfectant challenged repeatedly by successive addition of bacterial suspension till its capacity to kill gets exhausted. Microorganisms used for test are Staphylococcus aureus, E. coli, Erinoneus, and Proteus vulgaris. So here is the in detail procedure for the Kelsey-Sykes method. Firstly, we will at the 0 minute, here we will take the different time intervals for the procedure. For 0 minute, inoculate 3 ml of a disinfectant solution with 1 ml of a bacterial suspension in broth or serum and shake gently. At the 8 minute, collect sample from above reaction mixture with 50 dropper pipette and transfer 1 drop in each 5 test tubes or 5 drops in a nutrient agar plate. At next 8 minute, to the bacterial reaction mixture, add second 1 ml of a bacterial suspension. So, the total concentration of bacterial suspension in mixture will be 2 ml. At the 18 minute, collect above sample and add in other 5 test tubes or agar plate. At the 20th minute, to bacterial reaction mixture, add third 1 ml of a bacterial suspension. So, now the reaction mixture contains total concentration of 3 ml of a bacterial suspension. At 28 minutes, collect the above sample and add to the other 5 test tubes and 5 drops in a nutrient agar plate. So this is the whole procedure for the Kelsey-Sykes method. Here we will do the procedure at a different time interval 0, 8, 10, 18 and 20 and 28 minutes. Here the diagrammatic representation is given. Bacterial suspension. In the first test tube, we have taken the 10 ml of bacterial suspension. From that bacterial suspension, we will transfer 1 ml at 0, 10 and 20 minutes in a disinfectant. So, here the different 3 batches are prepared, which every batch contains the 5 test tubes. The time limits are the different, that is 8 minutes, 18 minutes and 28 minutes. Transfer 0.02 ml to each tube and check the results after the different time intervals. And here you can see the results. Here we have maintained the tubes at the 32 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. The sample taken at 8, 18 and 28 minutes incubate at 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. The number of tubes showing growth or number of colonies on agar plate are recorded. By observing these observations, we will form the result. If the no growth occurs in 2 or more 5 tubes tube at 18 minutes and no more than 5 colonies on agar plate. So here we have seen the results, that is the no growth occur in a 2 or more of 5 tubes of 18 minute sample and not more than 5 colonies on agar plate. The disadvantage of this method is only that its method is complicated and lengthy and it requires a well-trained staff. Thank you.